So here's how you can join your friends with the games on the iPad. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything. Now, in the latest iPadOS 26 version, we now have a dedicated games app which just appeared on the iPad, right? And it works slightly differently to compared to the previous versions, but inside of this games app, you have to set up the profile, right? So in the top right, you have like your Game Center profile. It used to be called Game Center. This is what it's now. And in here, you basically see your profile. You can click on edit and change your name and like icon or whatever. And in here, you can browse your friends and you can invite friends as well. So that is how you can get in touch with your friends through the games, right? So you'll be able to compare the stats and see and share the progress in here. But the whole point is that once you have the profile set up, you'll be able to see all of the games which support the Game Center. So that is going to be these random games, and you'll be able to just stay in touch with your friends, but through that particular game, which allow you to collect the achievements and I don't know, have a leaderboard and all of that kind of thing, which is, how it used to work back in the day, as I said, through the Game Center. So you can still check out the settings and find the Game Center right here. So it's basically just another selection for it, but in there you just have the same thing which I've shown you before, because now we have the dedicated games app, but we basically just move around the whole thing. This is just what it is available, right? That's just all that you can do. So let me know if you managed to find it. Let me know if you managed to get in touch with your friends over the games. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.